Page number 129, ready, start. Green belts user cannot be changed full stop where the approved layout plan clearly establishes that some areas were earmarked for green belts and some areas were earmarked for parking purposes. Stop. The initial purpose for which these areas were earmarked could only be changed by the authorities with the approval of the state government. Stop. It rather becomes the duty of Huda authorities to stand by their own commitment, because when the site was auctioned or allotted to the various persons, a categorical undertaking was given that a particular site would be converted into a green belt or would be used for parking purposes. Stop. By allowing the persons to put up so and so in an illegal or unauthorized manner would tantamount to encouraging a nuisance, and by non-conversion of site into a green belt would create ecological imbalance which is not permitted under the law. Full stop. The added respondents have failed to establish on the record that they are occupying the green belt area under any valid allotment. Stop. The Huda authorities have also not been able to establish that any approval was obtained from the state government for the conversion of the earmarked spaces. Stop. In Bangalore Medical Trust versus B.S. so and so and others, AIR 1991 SC 1902, it was held that a writ petition by the inhabitants of the locality is maintainable if there is a conversion of a development scheme by converting a public park into a private nursing home. Full stop. The Honorable Supreme Court also held that the executive or administrative authorities must not be oblivious of the fact that in a democratic set up the people or community being sovereign, the exercise of discretion must be guided by the inherent philosophy that the exerciser of discretion is accountable for his action. Stop. It is to be tested on anvil of rule of law and fairness or justice, particularly if competing interests of members of society is involved. Stop. Here, in the present case, the interests of the plot holders of the scheme are involved. Stop. The sites were left for the benefit of the inhabitants of the surrounding areas with a clear commitment on the part of the authorities that it would be converted into a green belt, and the authorities cannot show their helplessness by making an excuse that it has been encroached up by the Khokhawalas. Full stop. It is the specific stand of respondents in their written statement that the sites in question were earmarked to be developed as green belt staff.